Dahil isa ka na sa mga bagong ambassador ng PLDT Home Fiber Tubig, ano pakiramdam? Ang daming blessings and another blessing itong PLDT Home.
Grabe po. Actually, mga ganitong mga bagay po, hindi ko po siya talaga take for granted. And I always try my best to promote the brands that trust me as well, as much as I trust them. So, it's an honor to be a part of the PLDT family. Thank you so much for choosing me as a representative ko na singer na mga sumakses sa buhay. So, maraming salamat po.
O speaking of sumakses sa buhay, sa tingin mo paano nakakatulong yung mga internet connection like PLDT Home for an artist like you para mas mapalapit mo pa yung music mo sa fans mo?
Sobrang laki pong bagay nun, especially in this day of age na kailangan lahat is internet. Hindi lang po basta accessible ang internet but also a fast one. And para sa akin po talaga, whenever I upload my covers or even my original songs and my contents on the internet, I always need an internet provider na talagang mabilis. Kasi on a busy schedule po ngayon, since ang dami na pong opportunities na bumukas sa life ko, kailangan talaga I need a fast one, which is this one, the PLDT Home Fiber. So, para sa akin din also, it really helps me connect with my fans and engagements po sa internet as well as interacting with them. Kasi hindi naman po lagi nagkikita kami, hindi po lagi may shows. And gusto ko po minsan ina-extend yung gratefulness and gratitude ko towards them through the internet kasi po doon na lang po ako, or doon na lang kami minsan nakakapag-usap. So,